back in Keystone. It's Friday, August 12th now, and I decided today is going to be a riding day. So I'm going to go ride Iron Mountain Road, Needles Highway, and Wildlife Loop Road. So that's the plan for today. But first, I'm going to take a walk around Keystone again, like I did the other day, and see what it's like today. So let's head to Keystone. And today was the earliest I left the camp, I think. It was only a little after 9. It's the earliest start to getting out of the camp for the whole trip, I think. Well, for the whole rally, at least. Oh. So it's a little, so 10:30, a little after 10:30 now. So got way down here way. So I got more time to spend take a look around Keystone than I did the other day. And yeah, there's less bikes, no doubt about it. Oh man. World's largest Bigfoot. There it is. Wow. here's, I think it's Grizzly Creek. Literally bone dry. No water flowing this year. Oh, wow. And there's Mount Rushmore. Am I really going to do that? Yes, I really am going to go down that slide again this year. I think it's been a couple years since I last done it. Yeah, I can't remember. But going up the chairlift now. There's a good stretch of the slide. They have other things to do here other than just sliding, the chairlift and slide. They have an adventure park, zip lines and stuff like that. But I'm just here for the chairlift and the slide down. Can't see much of that direction. Oh, good. Oh, here comes some people going down. Looks like they one of the workers. There's Keystone. And chairlift and slide, and just turn around here. Mount Rushmore. Fun. Wouldn't mind doing that sometime, but I don't think it'd be something I do by myself. George's Grill. Huh, I don't think it was named that before. That must be a newer name. And I'll have to look at past videos and see what the name was before. I know it was not George's Grill. Here's a really long zip line. There are a couple people getting ready to go. Oh, there they go. There they go. There they go. Made it. Another view of Mount Rushmore from George's Grill. And I think I'm going to take and head down. Oh, that cost me just short of 20 bucks. Walking back down to the bike now, I'm going to get ready to start my Iron Mountain Road ride. And I'm going to be having the GoPros mounted on all 3 rides today. Walking back to the bike on a new one I haven't seen. You got some bears climbing a rope. Cool. That's neat. Here's a different angle. You kind of see the faces a little bit better, for the 2 top ones at least. And of course there's the Bigfoot. Doll's Chainsaw Art. I couldn't resist. Back here again. Yes, Iron Mountain Road. And I am actually quite surprised here, you know, it's Friday, August 12th. I'm actually quite surprised at how many bikes have been going by still, you know, this late in the rally. Of course, right now, there still comes a couple. Sitting here at the picnic table, watching the bikes go by, enjoying myself. Yeah, this place and that picnic area that's right along Spearfish Canyon is probably my two favorite places just to sit and relax and watch the bikes go by. Probably with this one being my favorite because you can actually see the road, more of the road and more of a distance of them going by compared to at the Spearfish Canyon where you just see quick glimpses of them. And now it's quiet once again. I'll be continuing my ride on Iron Mountain Road in a moment here in a little bit, but I'm just going to sit here and relax a while longer. Wow, nobody. Yeah, and of course this video, my riding video that I'm filming with the GoPros, will be on my riding and driving channel. The complete ride will be on that channel. And I've really been thinking a lot of how I'm going to be doing my editing once I get home, because I filmed during the course of this trip, I think I filmed probably 3 standalone videos that would be able to make 3 separate videos of different things that I filmed that I did not put footage in of any of these videos while I was on the trip. So there's going to be 3 more videos at least. And I'm thinking what I may do is have something like a highlight reel of the trip where I compile a bunch of video clips from the trip, and then I'll have riding footage in there too. I'm kind of leaning towards that, so I'll probably have like 3 independent standalone videos and then a highlight reel, or like a Sturgis motorcycle rally trip movie. Today turned out to be a really beautiful day after all. Zoom in a little closer. Yeah, what I'm doing today is more of what I have planned for Monday, but I got this late start on Monday. Just didn't have the time. But today I got going earlier, and it worked out great. Yeah, with the buffalo chip on that Sunday night, and when I got home after midnight, or back at camp after midnight. I got back to camp after midnight. Then I also edited the video, so it was like almost 3 a.m. before I finally got to sleep. And then just get going early in the morning after that was just too difficult. I wasn't able to get myself going. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here and watch now, and this video video clip has gone quite long, so talk to you later. All right, and all that's it. I guess I just put the GoPros away. I just came from riding Needles Highway. I rode the whole thing through and decided to come all the way to Hill City, and both cameras made it, so without the battery going dead, but we're getting pretty darn close for it. But anyways, right now I'm just going to be filling up on gas and then ride back up to camp. And I'm going to stop and get some milk and ice too, and that'll be it. And then just back to camp. So anyways, that's it from Hill City. So talk to you later, probably back at camp again. So yeah, to close out this video. So talk to you later. Well, here I am back at camp, and I'm going to get started editing this video. So I'm going to take and do the wrap up this video with this concluding clip now. I really think that today went really well. It went far better today than on what I think it was Monday when I rode down and did those 3 rides. And I started out late, and it was just behind all day, and then just didn't work out well that day. But anyways, today I think went really well. I had more time to spend in Keystone. I went down that slide and went up there, the chairlift. So that was good. so anyways, that's going to wrap up this video now. I'm just going to get to editing and then supper and then take it easy. And then tomorrow, we'll see. But anyways, once again, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.